Team-colored license plate measures 6 inches by 11.5 inches. Proven to be element-resistant, so you can show that team pride through rain or shine. Decorated with bold and vibrant team-colored graphics. 4 pre-drilled holes allows for easy mounting and installation. Officially licensed, made in the USA. Have you been looking for a new way to take your car to the next level? Maybe a new way to show your favorite team is the best around? There's no guessing which team you root for when on the road with this metal tag license tag by Rico Industries. This 6 by 11.5 officially licensed plate with bold and vibrant team graphics shows off your favorite team, while the aluminum construction helps to ensure durable, long-lasting quality. Fits standard license plate holders. Top reviews from the United States. Dallas Cowboys for life. I'm not a Steelers fan. My husband is a die-hard fan since 1975. He loves it. I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan. Lol, and I don't like it, but it's worth buying.